Experience comfort and convenience at Marroad Inn Hanno. Welcome to Marroad Inn Hanno, a delightful 3-star hotel located in the charming city of Hanno, Japan. Offering a perfect blend of comfort and convenience, this hotel is an ideal choice for both business and leisure travelers. With its excellent amenities, attentive staff, and prime location, Marroad Inn Hanno promises a memorable stay for all guests. Check-in and check-out. At Marroad Inn Hanno, check-in time starts from 3 p.m., allowing you to settle in and unwind after a long journey. The checkout time is until 10 a.m., giving you ample time to prepare for your departure. The hotel's efficient and friendly front desk staff will ensure a smooth and hassle-free check-in and check-out process, making your stay as convenient as possible. Rooms and facilities. With a total of 148 well-appointed rooms, Marroad Inn Hanno offers a comfortable and relaxing retreat for its guests. Each room is tastefully decorated and equipped with modern amenities to cater to your every need. Whether you choose a single, double, or twin room, you can expect a cozy and inviting ambience that guarantees a restful night's sleep. The hotel also provides a range of facilities, including free Wi-Fi in all rooms, air conditioning, and a flat-screen TV, ensuring your stay is both comfortable and connected. Unwind and socialize at Marroad Inn Hanno's vibrant bar. At Marroad Inn Hanno, guests can indulge in a delightful array of entertainment facilities, including a vibrant bar that promises an unforgettable evening. The hotel's bar is the perfect place to unwind and socialize after a long day of exploring Hanno. With its cozy and inviting ambience, guests can relax and enjoy a wide selection of refreshing beverages, from classic cocktails to premium spirits. The bar also offers a variety of delicious snacks and light bites, making it an ideal spot for a casual get-together with friends or colleagues. Whether you're in the mood for a lively night out or a quiet drink, the bar at Marroad Inn Hanno is sure to exceed your expectations. Convenience at your fingertips. Marroad Inn Hanno's top-notch facilities. Marroad Inn Hanno in Hanno, Japan, offers an array of convenience facilities that will make your stay a truly hassle-free experience. From the moment you step into the hotel, you'll be greeted by a friendly and attentive staff ready to cater to your every need. One of the standout features of Marroad Inn Hanno is its room service, allowing you to indulge in delicious meals from the comfort of your own room. Whether you're craving a hearty breakfast to start your day or a late-night snack after a long day of exploring, the hotel's room service is available around the clock to satisfy your cravings.